All right, guys, I got a package from Olay, and when I opened it up, I just thought to myself, I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time, and so this warrants a video. So they are having a commercial during the Super Bowl, Olay, targeting women because women watch the Super Bowl too, and I just thought that it was really fun. They sent me a huge bag of chips. Wait till my kids get a load of this one. And it says, get ready to kick back with some killer delicious dip with Olay. The hashtag is killer skin. And if you check out that hashtag, you can see more along the lines of what they are doing. But they sent me a huge box of lots of Olay products. And so I just wanted to sort of, oh, there's like more stuff in here too. Wait a minute. See, I don't even know what's in this box. They sent me a lot of different products that they have showcasing for the year. Okay, like I have my own Olay jersey. Can we just take a moment and just understand what's happening right now? I have an Olay jersey. This camera is really weird about focusing lately. So here's my Olay jersey. I think I'm gonna put it on. Just because I'm not a sports girl, and when in Rome, right? Yep, I have a jersey, and I'm officially in the game. That's how we do it. All right, so let's just take a look and see what we have here. So we have Olay Regenerist Whips. This is like that light, airy finish. It doesn't have that hard, oily residue when you're thinking of night creams or anything like that. That's not what you're going to get when you work with Olay. If you're trying to have that anti-aging, going after those wrinkles, women in their 40s, you know what we're talking about. Regenerist has the science to back up all their products. Many years ago, I actually went to one of their offices, took a tour with some of the team, and I was blown away by their science, the science behind the magic, so to speak. And so I've been using the Regenerist line ever since. And it actually says powerful wrinkle results without heaviness. And that's the perfect way to explain the Whips line. So this is something to check out, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more once we get to one of my favorite products. I will point it out. So yeah, so then we have the luminous Whips. Just give you a little, I mean, you can just see how light that goes on. It doesn't have that oily, it almost feels like a serum, but not quite. But it doesn't have that cakey feel. So that's definitely what I look for. I'm somebody that has to be really careful about what I put on my skin. I can't do anything too thick. I react. I have very sensitive skin, but the Regenerist line works. Okay, so this is what we like. So the Olay Eyes. I'm very focused on my eyes lately. I'm 41. I am the target market, and they have a couple of different things for eyes. This is the brightening eye cream. So this is basically, you don't want to get it anywhere like directly near your eye. And whenever you're putting something on your eyes, you want to try to use your ring finger. I should have done a manicure, but listen, this is life. So what you want to do is you want to use your ring finger, and you want to just gently tap around the eye as you're putting the moisturizer on. Because if you use your index finger, you're just going to naturally sort of really go at it, and you're going to push and pull, and you don't want to do that around your eye because it's really the thinnest and more sensitive part of your face. So if you use your ring finger, you're sort of just naturally going to go in lighter, and you're going to be more delicate around that region, which is what you want to do. And the brightening cream, let's see what it has. It has vitamin C, provitamin B5, vitamin E, and of course the brighteners to help hydrate and smooth that area. And you know, if you suffer from dark circles, drink water. I mean, of course, let's do things to help ourselves from the inside out. That's how you should really target beauty. And you know, when you're working on bettering your skin, you should always look at what it is that you're eating and drinking. But definitely, if you have dark circles, you should try to use brightening creams, and Olay has a great one to check out. So now we have some masks. To be honest with you, I haven't tried these, so I'm gonna try them. So this is Olay Mask Clay Stick. This is the Glow Boost, and this is the Fresh Reset Clay Stick. This is pink Mineral Complex. I have not tried or even heard of either of these. So this is the first time I'm looking at this. I kind of like the fact that it's a stick because, you know, when you open up those packets, it gets very gloppy and messy. This is a stick. I'm just applying it straight to my face. You want to apply generously to a clean, dry face, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse with water. So you put it all over your face as you normally would as a mask, and then I guess you get a few applications from this mask. This is a really almost like a smarter way to apply masks. I love that idea. All right, let's see. There's a lot of fluff in here. Okay, so then we have the regenerating serum. I am a serum girl. I love serums. This is where you want to see the greatest, when you start looking up what the results are online. This is where you start. I wish they had the information on the box, but they don't. So the Regenerist serum, you want to put this on before you put your moisturizer on. You can put it on in the morning, at night. It basically hydrates your skin. If you want to make sure that you're getting that more youthful appearance, you want to stay hydrated. You don't want to have any dry skin. So that's one good thing about having oily skin. I will say I do have oily skin, and you know you do stay looking more youthful when you have oily skin. So it helps restore skin's elasticity, and it helps with a little bit of plumping as well. And basically, people who use the Regenerist line, they start seeing results after right away, straight away. There is no, you know, after 40 days and 40 nights. Like, you don't have to do that extended wait period before you actually start seeing results. With the Regenerist line, with the serums, you start seeing results right away. So this is something I would definitely take a look at. Olay Mist, this is another thing that I haven't seen before. So the Ultimate Hydration Essence. Let me smell it. I like to smell things. Smells good. Okay, so this has aloe leaf, chamomile, and it helps to calm helps to calm dry and tight skin. So it absorbs quickly, refreshes your makeup, leaves your skin with a visible, healthy glow. So this is nice to keep on hand. You can apply it before your moisturizer, following your makeup application, or anytime you need to distress. AKA, I'm gonna walk around like this, keeping it with me in my bra, because I need to distress 24 hours a day. All right, I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything else in here. There's a box here. I don't know if there's something in this box. Let's see what's in this box. Woo! Oh my gosh, oh, how fun. I know what you did last summer. Roasted red pepper artichoke. This is so funny. They gave me a whole bunch of, do they all say something? 28 days later. Eggplant. Be afraid, be very afraid. Farmhouse tomato. This is hilarious. You're next. Artichoke parmesan. Children of the Corn. Children of the Corn. I'm sorry, I'm super campy, and this is like right up my alley. Game Over, Portobello, and Scream. I love this. Okay, I'm totally into this. I did not expect this to be here. I just want to make sure there's nothing else in this gigantic box. Okay, I got everything. That was it, all said and done. I can't wait to try out these clay masks. This is the one that I'm going to give a go and try out tonight. For more information, you can go to olay.com or check out #KillerSkin, and be sure to watch the Super Bowl for their brand new commercial targeting women, because women watch sports too. Until next time, bye.